Hi friends, today is Sri Shambhu Sharan's death anniversary. My Babuji, my grandfather, was a man par excellence. The childhood days spent with him, cherished by me till now. I remember the time when we used to visit Mahendru Patna and the room where he used to sit with his books and his ever great, like he had vast knowledge on most of the subjects. Discovery of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, most of the quotes he remembered at that age in his 80s. And then Mika, My Struggle by Hitler, those books. And Reader Digest was his constant companion. And the moment, the time spent with him was like entering a classroom. It was so educative, and he used to always say that if you cannot enjoy your own company, you don't have the right to thrust it upon others. This is the proverb or idiom or phrase which I remember till now, and many other things. He was a man whose time was spent mostly in his room, but with books, and whoever got in touch with him could come out with new horizon, because so many things he had to share. And other interest also, he also seemed to be interested in movies, some of the movies, especially Smita Patil movies. He used to always tell me that she's a very powerful actress. And the best part was that he used to sing one particular song, Ba, Ba. I think the old singer, what is his name? Naushad? The one Manna Day or some singer who used to sing this song, Balam An Milo, something like that. And we used to always keep telling him that, Babuji, please sing that song to us. And he used to actually sing, and we used to have a good time. And there was a joint in Patna that was called Fu Chow, and they used to have Chinese and chili chicken and all that. And we used to always pester him, Babuji, just shell out money, and we are going, all kids are going to have. And he also used to enjoy. He was an Epicurean. He had a very good, fine taste in food, and all his clothes used to be ironed. He will not wear anything which is crumpled, and that smell of Dettol, because whenever he used to shave, he used to put that very nice, you can say aroma used to emanate. Whenever you will go near him, I used to always keep touching his cheeks and sometimes kiss him and all that. And sometimes even I used to press his arms if it pains, or like, it was such a wonderful experience sitting with him. And I only had that liberty of entering his room and taking hold of the goodies which he kept in his room. I had the exclusive liberty, because I was the most lovable, and I had the courage. No other grandchildren had this much of courage. So I really remember him on his death anniversary, and I pray to God, pray to Almighty, wherever he is, he should always remember his granddaughter, and whatever follies I may have committed, and maybe he has been hurt by me unintentionally, then I just tell the Almighty to just let him know that I am deeply sorry, and I would not like to hurt him ever. Because when he passed away, I had taken kind of vow, you can say, or whatever, that I will leave non-veg. And eventually I left non-veg for a couple of years, like 8 years mostly. And but I started having later on. So sometimes I feel that maybe that was not a good thing to do, or whatever, I don't know exactly. So if he's watching me, then he should forgive me. And I love him from the bottom of my heart, and miss you, Babuji.